This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a restore point and backing up essentials. This protects you if something breaks. Once done, download the latest GPU driver package and display driver uninstaller so you have everything offline. Now reboot into safe mode. Press Shift while selecting Restart, then choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and Enable Safe Mode. Make sure to disable networking to prevent Windows Update from reinstalling drivers automatically. This keeps the environment clean and predictable. You now run Display Driver Uninstaller. Select the correct vendor and hit Clean and Restart so the removes driver files, registry keys, and services. Once the system restarts, check Device Manager for ghost GPU entries, right-click and uninstall them, selecting to remove driver software when offered. Then, manually delete residual folders under C, \program files, and C, \program data for your GPU vendor, and clear the %temp folder. These steps remove remnants that installers or Windows Update might otherwise reuse. You should now install the driver you downloaded. Pick the custom or clean install option when available so the installer overwrites only fresh files. After installation, reboot normally and verify success with Device Manager and a quick tool like GPU-Z or a short benchmark to check stability and temperatures. If something goes wrong, black screen, crashes, boot safe mode again and either rerun the or use your restore point. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most edge cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.